where there is an equitable distribution and adequate access to energy and quality water. A nation where agriculture, industry and service sector work together in symphony. A nation where education value system is not denied to any meritorious candidate because of societal or economic discrimination. A nation which is the best destination for the most talented scholars, scientists and investors. A nation where the governance is responsive, transparent and corruption free. A nation where poverty has been totally eradicated. A nation that prosperous, healthy, secure, devoid of terrorism, peaceful and happy, and continues with the sustainable growth path. A nation that is one of the best places to live in and is proud of its leadership. To achieve this distinctive problem in India, we have the mission of transforming India into a developed nation. We have identified 5 areas: agriculture, food processing, reliable quality electric power, education, healthcare, information communication technology, and self-reliance critical technology. These 5 areas are closely interrelated and progress in a coordinated way will lead to poor economic and national security. Now friends, I am going to talk to you the university TMU University and Moradabad district. I am studying the core competencies of Moradabad district, which is agrarian based, and the city of Moradabad is rich with artisan based small and medium scale cottage industry, particularly brassware and high quality bangles. This core strength can definitely be made use of enhancing the economic and social condition of the people in the district. Out of 31 lakh people in Moradabad district, 20 lakh live in the rural areas. To promote inclusive growth of entire 31 lakh population, I would suggest Tirthankar Mahavir University working for creation of 20 Pura complexes in the entire district. Provision of urban amenities rural area envisages creation of 3 connectivities, namely physical, electronic, knowledge, leading to economic connectivity. The Pura management system will assist in enhancing the per capita income from present 21,000 rupees to 1 lakh of the citizens in the region in the next 5 years by providing planning support, skill development in native industry, establishment of viable small and medium scale industry units, enhancing the agriculture productivity, undertaking creation of agro-processing industry to prevent wastage, enhance value addition to the local produce. The Pura unit can also consider the plantation of mentha in addition to other conventional crops. Production of mentha can lead to creation of small industry for culinary products, medicinal and cosmetic products, insecticide and aromatherapy products. Creation of such product profile will definitely bring it a visibility in the industrial and economic system of the region. I would like to highlight here one example of catalyzing the brass industry in Moradabad district. The district of Moradabad has a unique international recognition in its industry of brass work and handicrafts. I researched about this industry and found that attractive brassware is exported to countries like USA, Britain, Canada, Germany and Middle East Asia. There are about 1,000 export units and 4,018 industries in the district. Moradabad exports goods worth of 2,200 crores every year. We should aim at exporting for 10,000 crores of product in 5 years' time. For this, we have to cope with the international competition in the industry. Injecting international competition will involve provision of better process, reduction in wastage during the processing, use of waste material for reprocessing, facilitating reducing manual intervention through partial mechanization, promoting short and long-term safety of the artisan will have to be addressed in an intellectual way. As this university, as TMU University, witnessed in the first graduation, it's a paramount for the students and faculty to participate in such a national program that will enrich university environment, particularly students and faculty members can direct academic results for the progress of the state. This has to come in two forms, better technology and better management. Recently, I was at the CSIR Secretary at Karaikuli, Tamil Nadu, where I presented about cluster of innovation system, where I was presented about cluster of innovation system for promoting innovation in brass cluster. Their technology mainly focuses on creating better methods for electroplating and metal finishing, for safer and faster metal finishing. Moradabad district can benefit from this technology addition, better brass product, better production, better yielding capacity. The other aspect is that bringing better marketing and inventory management to the brass industry of Moradabad. Marketing will involve design to suit the taste of national and international customers, and also this will require a concentrated effort on developing fast information flow from the market to the designer and production center. Another aspect will be the